Good morning. So Nick from Nick's Allotment Diary has started a sunflower challenge 2020. So no better time to go down the allotment, start some seeds. Let's go. So these are the pots I'm going to be using for our challenge, and I've also brought down today some more modules which I took home from the flowers so we can start some more sunflowers. So let's take these down the plot. So this will be our seed trays. I have 2 seed trays. These are quite deep, should be good for the job. And I've just got normal multi-purpose compost. This is the cheapo one. And I'm going to do this outdoors today. It's just gone 7 o'clock in the morning and we've just heard Nick's sunflower challenge. So we're going to come down and get some of our sunflowers in. I'm just pulling these trays up. Looks like we had a bit of rain overnight. Should be good for the plants. So that's the trays filled. So the sunflowers we're going to do are sunflower Russian giant, and we've also got sunflower wahoo. So that'd be good for the competition for the most sunflowers. This one would be good for the tallest one in a bucket, and also for one in a pot. I've also got tallest sunflower, and I've also got some kids sunflowers. So that's my sunflower challenge, and I've also got one more that I've got in the polytunnel. So the last on my list for the sunflowers are these. These were sunflowers grown from the sunflower pick your own farm. These were taken from a head from the ones that were grown in the farm. So we're going to grow them on and see what these can do, see if we can get a similar result. I'll also show you which these were. So for the pick your own sunflowers, I'm using these small pots, and we're doing a tray full. So I'm just filling a pot and sticking a sunflower in. So let's show you what I've done. So here is 9 of the sunflower from the pick your own farm. So that's good. So that's on the way. So that's going to go in the polytunnel. So the first one I'll be doing is the Russian giants. These are going to go in the slightly deeper tray. They look similar to my seeds. So whether they're Russian giants, so I'm just literally going to put one in each, give them as much space as possible. So there we go, one in each. And cover up with soil on top. And that's that one done. That's the Russian giants in that tray. Label them, and then Wahoo in this tray. Not sure I'm going to get 20 seeds in this one. So these are slightly smaller. Couple left. So these are going to go one in each. As so. That's it. Push them in. And cover with compost. Firmly press them in. There we go. And that's those. So we're going to give them a water and that'll be done. Thank you very much, Nick. I look forward to seeing the sunflowers grow. Cheers. So I'm just doing this one. This one's sunflower Sadie. So I'm just doing this one. These seeds are white. So I'm just doing these in this cell tray, and that's that. And again, cover up. That one. And I'm just going to do one more. And these are the cheap ones, 50p. See what happens. Nothing gained. Small hole. Now these are a combination. So I'm going to put one of each in each hole. That'd be interesting. Black one. It's not working out. Anyway, that's it. That'll do. Take them in. that's it, another one done. Now I need a label. The most important thing is a label. So I bought one there, Tallest Son, 50p. Sunflower Sadie. That one. Sunflower Wahoo. That one. Russian Giant. That one. And then raised sunflowers. So that's going in the other label. So let's just give them a quick water and then that's done. So this is my sunflower challenge 2020. Let's get them watered. And these are the pots that they're going to be going into. Oh. So good luck with everybody. Sun's just rising now, and should put these in the polytunnel to get some heat. And also check out Russ from Conversation Shed. He's also got a supply of my sunflower seeds from the Pick Your Own farm, and it'd be interesting to see comparison from Russ's sunflowers. Conversation Shed. I'll put a link below. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Keep safe. And please subscribe if not subscribed. Ring the bell and get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Cheers. Just a little note. Here's some I did earlier. And these are outside. And to show not everything goes well in the polytunnel, these are my giant Russian sunflowers. Some you lose, some you win. Thank you very much.